Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for real-world product insights. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Dyson V15 Detect Plus cordless vacuum. With its advanced features and promises of powerful suction, we'll be testing its real-world performance, build quality, and more to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's see if this cordless powerhouse really delivers. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus is a cordless vacuum cleaner designed to tackle everything from everyday dust to stubborn pet hair. Right off the bat, it boasts some impressive specs. With 248 Dado of suction power and the ability to run for up to 60 minutes, it's built for deep cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. It has 3 power modes: Auto for general cleaning, Eco for maximum battery life, and Boost for those moments when you need extra suction for a tougher mess. A real highlight here is the inclusion of 2 advanced cleaner heads: the fluffy optic cleaner head, which reveals dust that's nearly invisible on hard floors, and the digital motor bar, designed to deep clean all floor types while also detangling hair as it goes. The vacuum comes with a wall dock, charger, and a total of 4 attachments, making it versatile enough for cleaning everything from floors to upholstery to your car seats. When it comes to real-world usage, the V15 doesn't disappoint. The fluffy optic cleaner head is a game changer for hard floors. Its gentle yet powerful suction lifts dirt you might have missed, thanks to the illuminated dust detection. It's a feature that sounds gimmicky at first, but once you see it in action, it's hard not to appreciate. The digital motor bar, on the other hand, does a stellar job on both carpet and rug surfaces. The anti-tangle conical brush bar works wonders, grabbing pet hair and long hair without it getting wrapped around the brush. We put it to the test with some tricky areas, like embedded pet hair in the carpet and dust hiding under furniture, and the V15 handled them all with ease. Suction power on the V15 is truly top tier. At 240 obabeos, it's got the muscle to clean deep, even on thick carpets, while also adjusting itself based on the surface. The intelligent sensor detects floor types and adapts the suction to match, which means you're not wasting energy or battery life when you don't need to. In auto mode, the vacuum strikes a balance between power and runtime, while eco mode maximizes battery life, making it perfect for quick cleanups. In boost mode, it delivers maximum suction, but the runtime drops quickly, down to just 5 minutes back, so you'll want to use that only for spot cleaning or heavy-duty messes. As for battery life overall, 60 minutes is a solid runtime, but it's important to note that this depends on the mode you use. On higher suction settings, expect less. The V15 is incredibly easy to use, lightweight, and well-balanced, making it comfortable to maneuver even for longer cleaning sessions. The power trigger helps with energy efficiency, ensuring you're only using power when you need it. And while it's not the quietest vacuum, its noise levels are manageable, especially in auto mode. The LCD screen is another nice touch, showing you not only how much debris you've picked up, but also keeping you updated on battery life, power mode, and any maintenance alerts. It's a smart addition that helps keep track of how well the machine's performing. Now let's talk about those attachments. The hair screw tool is specifically designed for lifting long hair and pet hair. We tried it on pet beds, stairs, and even car seats, and it did an excellent job. No more annoying tangles in the brush roll. The extra accessories really make this vacuum versatile, and they're easy to switch between, giving you multiple options for cleaning hard-to-reach places. The wall dock is a great addition, helping with storage while keeping everything organized and accessible. On the downside, there are a few minor quirks. While the suction power is fantastic, the vacuum can struggle a bit with heavier debris like large crumbs or cereal on hard floors if it's not on the right setting. The high price point is another consideration. At the premium end of the market, it's a bit of an investment, and while you're paying for performance, there are still more affordable vacuums that might suit specific needs, like basic cleaning or quick touch-ups. If you're shopping around, there are a few comparable vacuums worth mentioning. The Shark IZ682H Vertex Pro, for instance, is another premium cordless vacuum that also offers powerful suction and anti-hair wrap technology. However, it has a shorter runtime and lacks the illuminated dust detection feature, which is a major win for the Dyson. Similarly, the Tyneco Pure One S12 is another contender in this space, with solid suction and a smart app to track cleaning progress. But it falls short when it comes to deep cleaning carpets compared to the V15. As far as build quality goes, Dyson continues to impress with its durable, lightweight design. The materials feel premium, and the vacuum holds up well even after extensive use. Maintenance is straightforward, though you'll need to clean the brush roll and filter regularly, especially if you have pets. Fortunately, the filter is washable, which saves you money in the long run. Dyson's lifetime support and 2-year warranty offer peace of mind, making this a long-term investment. The V15 is a vacuum that stands out, offering exceptional cleaning power, intelligent features, and great usability. It's perfect for those who have pets, need to tackle multiple floor types, or want something that can handle hair without the mess of tangling. However, the high price might be a barrier for some, and its battery drops quickly in boost mode. So if you're after something that can go for longer on maximum power, this may not be the best choice. Still, for the right buyer, someone who values top-tier cleaning performance, versatility, and convenience, the V15 Detect Plus is worth every penny. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. And if you have any questions or experiences with this vacuum, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Don't forget to keep things clean, and maybe leave the hard work to the Dyson.